Dear students, in this class we are going to discuss the exercise in page number 34. In page number 34, there are 5 questions are there. It's in the heading, draw the projection of following points. First one, point K is 20 mm below HP and 25 in front of VP. From the hint, K is 20 mm below HP and 25 in front of VP. From these two hints, we can understand which is the quadrant. Below HP and in front. That is the fourth quadrant. Our object is placed in fourth quadrant. Second one, point L. Point L is 30 mm behind VP and 30 mm above HP. 30 mm behind and 30 mm above HP. From this hint, 30 mm behind and above, we can identify that quadrant is second. And third question, point M is on VP and 20 mm below HP. M is on VP and 20 mm below HP. There is two conditions in below case. That is, either it is third quadrant or fourth quadrant. But on VP, in the case of fourth quadrant, we can say that below HP in front of VP. Here, on VP and 20 mm below HP. So, I am taking that quadrant is third. Now, next one, point N. Point N is on both HP and VP. So, here that point is on reference line. Next one, last one, point O. Object is point O is on HP and 20 mm behind VP. On HP and 20 mm behind VP. There are two conditions in the case of behind of VP. Either it is second quadrant or third quadrant. Here I am taking second quadrant. On HP and behind VP. So I am choose second quadrant. Now we have to answer the question. For answering the question, first we have to draw a common XY line. I draw here a long XY line. This is X, this is Y. Because every answer having a distance 30 mm apart to each other. So, first attempt to the point K. That is 20 mm below HP and 25 mm in front of VP. That means this is in the fourth quadrant. We know that in the case of fourth quadrant, both the front view and plans comes below the XY line. First we have to draw its front view using this parameter 20 mm below HP. Now put a point here keeping 20 mm distance. That point is marked with small letter K dash and having a distance 20 mm below HP. This is front view. Now 25 mm in front of VP. Now draw another point here keeping 25 mm. This point is marked as K, 25 mm from XY line. Because while we are projecting on its plan on HP rotate in clockwise direction, then that time HP also comes below the XY line. So this is plan. Both HP and VP comes below the XY line as in the case of fourth quadrant. Now take a 30 mm distance from this point, because every question having a 30 mm distance apart to each other. So we have to measure a 30 mm distance and attempt the second one. Our second question is point A release 30 mm behind VP and 30 mm above HP. This is in the second quadrant. We know that in the case of second quadrant, both front view and plan also comes above the XY line. Now 30 mm behind, that is, this is plan measurement, and 30 mm above HP. First we have to draw its front view keeping 30 mm. First we put a point here keeping 30 mm distance. This point is marked as L dash, and now draw its plan. For drawing its plan, first you have to draw its plan on HP. HP rotate in clockwise direction, then that time HP also comes above the XY line. So the distance is same as 30. So we have to put the same point here for showing plan. So plan is represented by without L, without dash. So we can use L having a 30 mm distance. This is front view, this is plan. Both HP and VP comes above the XY. This is first question, this is second. And third one, M is on VP and 20 mm below HP. This is in the third quadrant. From this hint, we can understand its front view having a distance 20 mm below HP. Now, keeping 30 mm distance from here, this 20 mm below HP. Put a point here, 20 mm. Put a point here, keeping 20 mm, and that point is marked as M dash. M dash. This distance is 30. This is front view. Now project its plan. While projecting its plan on HP, that's HP, that point's image is projected on HP. That means on reference line. And when we rotating in clockwise direction, it should come at XY line. So we put a point here that is marked with letter M. This is plan on HP. That means plan should come on XY line. Now we have to discuss the fourth one. The point N is on both HP and VP. That means that point also on XY line. Now we put a point here. First we have to mark its front view, that is N dash, and in bracket we have to write small letter N. This is front view, this is plan. In the case both front view, vertical plane comes below the XY. Here, next we have to move on. Last question. This is first, second, third, and this is fourth. And last one. Finally, O is on HP and 20 mm behind VP. That is in second quadrant. We know that in second quadrant both the front view and plans above the XY line. Keeping 30 mm apart, put a point here. Point is 30 mm behind. From that we can understand this is our plan. So we have to put a point here, keeping 20 mm distance, denoted by the letter O, because we have to draw its plan. This is plan, and the O is on HP. So front view on reference line. On reference line. This is O dash. Okay. Now we have to complete our answer.